What's up, guys? How are you all? Welcome to my channel Biofactory, and today I am going to discuss about a most humorous and famous homeopathy medicine arsenic album 30. You are being so audible about the most spreaded rumor that arsenic album can protect us from the COVID-19, but this is so wrong concept and we are going to discuss this in this video. तो भाई और बहनों शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी टाइम गवाए. So first, false claim about immunity buildup by Arsenic Album 30. Arsenic is a trace element. It is found in several foods including seafood, poultry, grains, bread, cereals, and our means daily product, and also it is found in dairy product. And we also often use this arsenic, which is present in arsenic album. We also use this arsenic in various medicines. So despite serious safety concerns, arsenic is often used as a part of extremely diluted homeopathic remedies that are used for digestive disorders, food poisoning, sleep problems, insomnia, allergies, anxiety, depression, and obsessive compulsive disorder, which is also called in short form OCD. Arsenic is also contained in traditional Chinese medicine. Chinese medicine. This is so interesting. Coronavirus is also called Chinese virus. And this arsenic is also used for psoriasis, which is present. This arsenic means which is present in arsenic album 30. Arsenic is a component of arsenic album 30. That is main component. And also this arsenic is used in treatment of cancer, and this is also used as general tonic and painkiller and much more. So next, special precautions and warnings. Children. Arsenic is likely safe when eaten by children in normal food amounts. The form of arsenic found naturally in foods does not seem to cause any harm. Other forms of arsenic are likely unsafe for children when taken by mouth. Long-term exposure to arsenic in drinking water at level of 50 microgram per liter has been linked to reduced scores on intelligence tests in children. So we can see now from this that arsenic is hazardous for children. If these are taken in little bit much more amount, this can reduce scores on intelligence test. This is very important to know. And for pregnancy and breastfeeding, arsenic is likely safe when eaten in normal food amounts by women who are pregnant or breastfeeding. However, other forms of arsenic, inorganic arsenic, are likely unsafe when taken by mouth by women who are pregnant or breastfeeding. Arsenic has been linked to birth defects and other serious harms in animals. Do not take arsenic supplements if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Heart problems. There are many heart patients in our India, so this is very important to them that the prescription form of arsenic, which is also present in the form of arsenic trioxide tricyanox, can affect heart rhythm in some patients. So they become very careful. None of the article, I am averring you that none of the article prove that arsenic album 30 will boost immunity in humans or in animals to protect against infectious disease. Further, it has also been found that claimed arsenicum album 30 has never been tested in human infections in clinical trials to yield the result that CCRH claims. So be aware of this news and these rumors. Although it may be possible to increase immunity via lifestyle changes, vitamin D, sleeping efficiency, etc., so far, No drugs have shown the evidence to boost the immunity to protect against the COVID-19 pandemic. So be careful. The most reliable method to protect against the infection is suggested hygiene. So please maintain your hygiene and maintain physical distance, which is very important from humans and vomits, as well as using protective gear when required. There are many things, that safety masks and safety shield and gloves, hand sanitizer mainly. There are many things, so you can use this. And consumption of such untested drugs on a large scale gives false protection and increases the spread of coronavirus. So be aware, especially when the country has not been able to control the spread despite the enforcement of physical distancing. So our India is having a high score on coronavirus active cases. So be aware. I am making this video to only open your eyes about this arsenic album. So please, mm, please watch the main things, and so protect your child and protect your family. And thank you for watching this full video, guys. Thank you so much, and subscribe our channel, like and share, and press the bell icon for getting the notifications of my new uploaded videos. Thank you.